Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering your GPS receiver, mounting the survey antenna, and confirming firmware is current. This prevents data loss. You set one control point with a visible marker. Note the datum, WGS84 versus local. Then initialize the receiver to acquire satellite lock. While it locks, you log the antenna height and station ID so later measurements are accurate. Once the receiver shows enough satellites and good PDOP, start a short static or RTK session immediately to capture your baseline coordinates. Don't wait. You proceed by collecting points systematically. Set receivers on each stake, measure antenna height precisely, and take 3 quick shots per point to average noise. If RTK provides fixes, you use them for immediate accuracy. If not, record raw logs for post-processing later. You traverse along boundaries with consistent station spacing and use stakeout routines for corners, making sure to annotate offset distances and feature codes. Make frequent backups to SD and external device. This helps reconcile any inconsistent fixes once processed. You finish by transferring raw logs and field notes to your computer, then run post-processing or RTK network adjustments to refine coordinates. You apply antenna height offsets and convert between datums as required, checking control residuals to confirm tolerances. If a point exceeds acceptable error, reoccupy it in the field or inspect potential multipath sources, trees, fences, metal surfaces, and note any obstruction for corrections. One key troubleshooting tip: if fixes flicker, recheck antenna grounding and swap cables. Simple hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.